Ruchi welcomes you. Spring onion green salad. Today let us see how to make this healthy and easy salad. You need a bunch of spring onion greens. You also need half cup Moong Dal or green gram dal, 3 green chillies, 1 inch ginger, 1 lemon. Soak dal in water for 30 minutes and drain the excess water. Chop the greens very finely. Chop the chillies and ginger also very finely. Take a bowl. Transfer the soaked dal. Chopped greens. Chillies and ginger. Add required salt as per your taste. Add lemon juice. And give a good mix. You can substitute normal ginger with mango ginger or manga inji as we call in Tamil. This is a very nutritious salad as dal contains proteins and greens are enriched with vitamins. The blend of dal and greens with spices gives a rich taste to this salad. Transfer it to a serving plate and garnish as per your creativity. See, the colorful green salad is ready. What's special in this? No fire cooking, very easy for beginners, filled with proteins and vitamins. Try this salad and enjoy.